How to manage your chat on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your chat on Gmail PC easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail, as you can see right here, this is the home page. Go to the top and click on settings. Now click on see all settings option right here. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options, as you can see. Go to chat and meet here in the top. Now after you click on it, here you will find the chat option and you can manage it easy and fast, as you can see. Choose anything you want here and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.